Sure.
Oh, in the hole. If you look underneath, the board's warped. I'll get it. Okay, can you give Dad or Grandma the egg? There's no egg. You found one there, didn't you? But there's no more. Where else do we look? I don't know. Here, let's go over this way.
Is there any up there? Is it hard to walk up there, Lily?
Did it? Yeah. That fell off the deck, I think. He that fell off of the deck, too. Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, Grandma. You're okay.
Grandma's gonna fall down too.
Oh, silly girl.
Oh.
Here, I'm trying to help so you don't have to fall down again. Are you gonna go give those to Mom? Okay. I'll get the egg. How about?
I think I see an egg.
I think our problem is we're high up, down from her eye level.
I know that one I think you can see. No, maybe not. That's a dusty toy. Give it to Grandpa. Okay.
What'd you find?
You need to sit down?
Oh.
Not good or what?
Lily, we're not going inside quite yet. Look at the chair.
Over here.
Over here, though.
Okay, I don't know. The way you're stumbling. Yeah.
How many did you have?
There's another one over here.